Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these chocolate strawberry cupcakes. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to make the cupcakes, so grab yourself a small bowl and place in your egg, milk and oil, not forgetting your vanilla extract, and just give this all a quick whisk together until fully combined. Set aside until you need it later on. You can then go ahead and grab yourself a large mixing bowl, and into that place your dry ingredients, which are the plain flour, the cocoa powder and raisin agents, and your sugar, and just whisk those all together until they are fully combined. You can then go ahead and add in the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and just whisk everything together until it's fully combined. You'll notice it's quite a thick mixture, but don't worry, it will alleviate itself once we add the boiling water. So once you've achieved this consistency, you can then go ahead and add in the boiling water, and be careful whisking this in until it's fully incorporated. You will notice that the batter becomes a lot looser. This is what you're looking for. Once you've achieved that, you can then give the bowl a good scraping down, and this is just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. So now that you've got your cupcake batter, you can go ahead and grab a 6-hole cupcake tin and just distribute the batter between the 6 cases equally, or as equally as possible, filling them 2/3 or 3/4 of the way full, as these do rise but not a lot while they're baking, but it's still a light and airy cake. Place these into the oven and bake them off. While your cakes are in the oven, you can go ahead and make the buttercream. So into your mixing bowl place your butter and your jam, and just mix the two together until they are very well combined. It may look curdled at first, but don't worry, as you mix it, it will come together. Once it's lighter and fluffier in colour and consistency, you can then go ahead and give the bowl a good scraping down, and this is just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. You can then go ahead and add in all of your icing sugar, or you can add it in 2 installments, whichever works best for you. But I added it all in and then just mix this on a low speed to start with, working my way up to a medium high speed. And you may notice that the mixture goes from the quite bright pink to a bit of a paler pink, and this is perfect as I didn't want it to be a super bold pink, but just enough. Once you've noticed the icing sugar has been fully incorporated, add in your vanilla and just mix until the buttercream is lighter and fluffier. So here are the cupcakes that are baked and fully cooled. You can then go ahead and core the centre out, and this is where we will generously fill them with some strawberry jam. Feel free to use an apple corer, but I've got a cupcake corer. An apple corer will just do the job just as well. Take a piping bag or 2 spoons and fill your cupcakes generously with the strawberry jam. Then top them with your strawberry buttercream. You can pipe as much or as little on with whichever tip you like. I just went with an open start tip, but feel free to use whichever you have or you prefer to use. I couldn't leave the cupcakes being boring, so I just placed some Nutella into a piping bag and just drizzled it over the tops of the cupcakes in a round pattern. But you can do this however you like, and you can be much more neater. You can then optionally sprinkle over some sprinkles. I'm using a halo mix which is called Blushing Bride, but feel free to use whichever you like. Then you can serve the cupcakes up, and here is what the inside of the cupcake looks like. You've got the chocolate cupcake, the jam filling, and then the buttercream and the topping. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again soon with other recipes to join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links for more social medias. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.